We're looking for that perfect holiday meal all in one sheet? Well, I've got you covered. This is my one sheet pomegranate salmon with broccolini, and it's a magical meal, kind of like the spirit of Christmas. So let's get started. First, let's start off by prepping our broccolini. And if you've never seen broccolini before, well, this is it right here. It's almost like a long version, stemmed version of broccoli. So what you're gonna do is trim off the end. Any of the thicker ones, you're gonna be peeling these so that it's not too tough. Okay, let's set the broccolini aside, and now let's make our pomegranate glaze. And for that, we're gonna be using some of this. It's pomegranate molasses. Now, pomegranate molasses is more and more available at your local supermarket. If you can't find it, just go online, type in pomegranate molasses. I promise you there are a lot of places where you can find it. Okay, let's squeeze some fresh orange juice, put that in a saucepan, and add the pomegranate molasses, some brown sugar, soy sauce. Now we're going to be grating some garlic and ginger with a microplane grater. If you don't own a microplane grater, I highly recommend you invest in one. They are so versatile, not just for cheese, but also things like garlic and ginger. Okay, here's the garlic, ginger, and we're going to let this come to a slow simmer. We want to reduce this so it's about half the amount and it's kind of syrupy. And now it's time for the star of the show, which is our MOWI Atlantic salmon. And these come in 2 portion sizes, so it's very convenient for you to set up a meal for 2, 4, 6, and so on. Look how beautifully bright and orange it is. This beautiful Atlantic salmon is farm raised, and that means you're going to be getting a ton of nutrients out of it. Like a puzzle, you want to fit the broccolini throughout. Salt and pepper, especially on that broccolini. All right, a little olive oil, and now I'm gonna par cook this, meaning half cooking it, so that then I can take it out and add some of that glaze to it. All right, as you can see, it's partially cooked. It needs a little bit more, but now we're gonna add that glaze to it and make sure it adheres to all of the salmon. Anything that spills off the salmon is just gonna flavor the broccolini, which is perfect. Back into the oven to finish cooking it. This looks mouthwateringly delicious. Garnish with some pomegranate seeds, chives. Bring on the holidays with this classy dish that's gonna wow your guests, not just with the looks, but also with the flavor.